Hey everyone, it's Kelsey from Mattress Advisor, and today we have the Casper Essential mattress in the Mattress Lab. Tune in as we put it to the test and then reveal our Mattress Advisor score. Here's what you need to know about the Casper Essential. This, the most economical of the Casper mattresses, is made with only the necessary materials needed to give you a good night's sleep. It is a medium firm mattress made with 3 layers of foam. The top 2 layers of the Casper Essential are borrowed from the signature Casper mattress. The main difference in the 2 mattresses is that the Essential does not come with the zoned support layer. A queen-size mattress will cost you $600 and comes with free shipping, free returns, and a 100-night trial period. It is a great option for someone on a budget. The Casper Essential comes compressed and rolled up in a box that is 30% smaller than the other Casper mattresses. Watching it come to life is pretty neat. Sit back for a moment and enjoy. A queen mattress weighs only 63 pounds, but it is a little floppy. You might want to grab an extra set of hands to get this thing set up. But if you're feeling ambitious, you can probably do it yourself. The Casper Essential took us less than a minute and a half to set up. The Casper had its own unique aroma, but the odor did lessen by the end of the day. So for ease of setup, we give the Casper Essential an 8.5. Let's take a look at how well the Casper Essential isolates movement in our motion transfer test. A mattress's ability to absorb motion is essential when it comes to getting a good night's sleep. You want motion to be pretty isolated. No one likes being woken up at 3 a.m. because their sleeping partner is doing Tai Chi in their sleep. To assess motion transfer, we start with our wine test. Aside from being a great excuse for a glass of red, it is also a great visual indicator of how much motion is being transferred from one side of the bed to another. We had RJ lie down and roll back and forth a few times on the other side to see how much the glass and the wine inside of it moved. The wine moved the most when RJ first laid on the bed, but other than that, it stayed relatively still, so we give it an 8 out of 10. Next, we just replaced the wine glass with a human to see how much movement they felt. We had both RJ and Asha rate this on a scale from 1 to 10, with 10 being no movement at all. They gave it a collective 7.75 out of 10. So for the combined motion transfer test, the Casper Essential gets a 7.9 out of 10. Having good edge support in a mattress is kind of a big deal, whether you realize it or not. In fact, most of the time, you don't realize it until it's gone. If you tend to find yourself sleeping on the edge of your mattress, or you use the end of your bed to get ready in the morning, you will want to pay attention during this next test. First, we asked RJ and Asha to sit on the end of the bed to tie their shoes, and we had them rate the level of support on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being extremely easy with exceptional edge support. They both gave it a perfect score of 10 out of 10. However, we felt it was important to tell you that they could feel the bed frame beneath the mattress when they sat down. That makes it hard to attribute the edge support solely to the mattress. Next, we asked them to lay on the edge of the bed in multiple positions, side, stomach, and back, to see if they felt like they could sleep on that section of the bed comfortably. They gave the Casper a combined score of 8.5 out of 10. So for total edge support score, the Casper Essential gets a 9.25 out of 10. Things are really starting to heat up now. For our pressure relief test, we are bringing out the big guns. And the way we measure pressure relief is by using a pressure mapping film that shows how well the mattress supports different parts of the body. Here's what you need to know. The cool spots are good. It means the mattress is evenly distributing your body weight. The warm spots are bad, and these show us areas of high pressure. It is particularly important to see low pressure around your hips, your thighs, and your shoulders. When RJ and Asha were on the Casper Essential, we saw red in Asha's hips and shoulders, and just the slightest bit of red in RJ's shoulders. So we gave the Casper Essential a 7.75 out of 10 for pressure relief. Did you know that keeping good posture while you're sleeping is just as important as keeping it during your waking hours? For every mattress we test, we take a look at how well it keeps your spine in a straight line. We had RJ and Asha lie down on their sides, and once they were settled, we took a close-up of their backs to see the alignment. Ideally, we want to see a straight line from the spine all the way up through the neck. We noticed there was a little dip in RJ and Asha's spines while they were on the Casper Essential, so we give it an 8 out of 10 for spine alignment. A mattress's ability to adjust with your movement is really important when it comes to getting comfortable in bed. So for our responsiveness test, we measured how well the Casper Essential adjusted or responded to different sleeping positions. We'd like to see how you, a real human, might feel on it. So we had RJ and Asha lie on the Casper Essential in each sleeping position, back, stomach, and side. As they changed positions and got settled in, we asked them how the mattress adjusted or responded to their movement. They rated the experience on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being it adjusted perfectly and instantly to the new position. They scored it at a 7.5 out of 10, noticing some difficulties in getting comfortable quickly. Okay guys, are you ready for this or what? It is time to reveal the Mattress Advisor score for the Casper Essential mattress. Our score is a weighted average out of 10 that incorporates functional and performance characteristics of the mattress, as well as a social responsibility score, which takes into account social mission, community involvement, and charitable partnerships. The Mattress Advisor score for the Casper Essential mattress is, survey says, an 8.1. Thanks for tuning in today to learn more about the Casper Essential mattress. If you want to take a deeper look at any of these scores, just head on over to the Casper Essential review at mattressadvisor.com. As for me, I'm going to curl up and get some essential sleep.